everyone, welcome back to our channel, diggers.com. And for today's video episode, we will talk about and how to install WordPress to your website or from logging into your web hosting plan. As for me, I chose bluehost.com as my web hosting plan because of their excellent service. However, if you have chosen another service provider, then that's completely fine because the process will just be the same. So before we officially start, let me give you a quick recap on the previous episodes where we talk about choosing your domain name, choosing your web hosting plan, and why would we be needing a WordPress.org as our website builder over other competitors. Okay, so now let's proceed to our web hosting plan. So currently I am logged in to my web hosting service provider. If you already have registered to a specific web hosting provider, WordPress website builder should be installed right away. But for some reasons, if it's not, then you don't need to worry because there is a workaround for that. So first, you logged into your web hosting plan service. And first thing to do is to click here, log in to WordPress. If this is your first time, you would do that. If you haven't made any website before, however, if you do, then you need to click on Marketplace and add a website. That's how you do it. And you put in your previous website and any tagline and click on Next. However, for me, I haven't made a website before with a different provider, so there's no need for me to do that. What I would be needing to do though is to simply, let's go back to home and click on log in to WordPress. It may take some time and this would reroute directly to your WordPress.org builder on the back end. Okay, it's loading. Let's wait for that to load properly. Okay, and now we are on the back end of our WordPress .org builder. So here you can see the dashboard. This is already WordPress. And install plugins if you wanted to install plugins. Actually, we will discuss plugins on the next video. And what are the plugins that you need to secure your site or to a plugin for SEO or search engine optimization and a lot more. So here, this is where you write your post. You can see all of your written posts. If you want to add new, if you want to edit your category and tags. So here, a media means all of the videos that you have uploaded to your site, all of the images that you have uploaded to your site. So if you click on library, it would show you everything that you have uploaded to the back end of the WordPress.org website builder. If you want to add new, then click here. So pages, comments, WP forms, and so on. We're going to discuss this in detail on the next video. For this video, we will just talk about on how to install WordPress.org into your website. All right, so basically that would be it. If you want to go back to your web hosting service platform, then click here at the very top and then click on back to Bluehost. For me, it's Bluehost. If you have chosen another provider, then it would be the same button as well. Okay, so going back to our Bluehost portal. Let's just wait for that to load. Okay, so yeah, we're back. So that's all that you need to do. And that would be all for our episode today. So for the complete list of the step-by-step procedure on how to build your own website, please visit my website, it's diggers.com, or my YouTube channel, diggers.com as well. You can follow a comprehensive guide on how to build a website, and this is for free, so you've got nothing to lose. Okay, so that would be the end of our video for today. Our next video would be on how to verify your who is information and why is this very important for the making of your website. All right, that would be all, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.